We have a new lesson today. Let's start. We have Chapter 11, Lesson 5, Solving two-step inequalities. When we solve two-step equations, you can use the order of operation in reverse to isolate the variable. You can use the same process when solving two-step inequalities. So when we solve inequalities, we will solve the same as we are solving equations. Okay, so we will reverse the order of operation to make the variable alone, or isolated the variable. We need to make the variable alone, isolated, without anything, without any numbers adding or multiplying or divided or subtracting from it. Okay, so don't forget to draw a closed circle when the inequality includes a point, and an open circle when it doesn't include the point. What it means by include the point and doesn't include the point? You remember when we took bigger than, smaller than, without equal, so this one will be open circles. Open circles mean the inequalities not include the point, but closed circle means that I have down here equals. This equals means that this inequality includes the point, or the point will be included inside the inequalities. Okay, let's go and solve two-step inequalities. We have y over -6 bigger than 1. What we will do first we need to take out the 2 and take out -6. Okay, which one I will start first, with the 2 or with the 6? I will start with 6 because we are inverse the order of operation. What's order of operation? Order of operation to start with multiplies or divide and then go to adding and subtracting. So now we will inverse. So it will be adding or subtracting first. So first step here is to add 6 to both sides. Let's add 6 to both sides. What we will have, this 6 will go out with, so y over 2 will bigger than 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay, this one is equals 0, but 0 we don't write. Let's go next. We will multiply both sides by 2. So we want to remove, what is the relation between y and 2? The relation is divided. So to inverse it, it will be multiply. When I multiply by 2, this 2 will go out with 2, and 2 multiplies 7. So I will have y bigger than 14. Let's draw number line, and we will go to 14. Make open circle. Why open circle? Because we have here no equals. If I have equals here, so it will be closed circle, but I don't have equals, so it will be open circle. Okay, so open circle, and y is all the numbers bigger than 14. All the numbers bigger than 14. So I will shout all the numbers bigger than 14. Let's go next. We want to solve and then graph the solution set of a number line. Solve, then graph the solution set on a number line. We took before solution set. Do you remember what is solution set? Solution set is all the numbers can be answer for the equation, okay, or answer for the inequality. Let's start. 5 bigger than or equals m over -3 plus 8. What we will do first, we will remove the positive 8 or plus 8. How we will remove it? By subtract 8 in both sides. So we will subtract 8 from both sides. So subtract 8 from both sides. I will have 5 minus 8 will equal -3. M over -3 it's same, and then plus 8, -8 will equal 0, but 0 we don't write. What we need to do now, we need to take out -3. How we will do it? We will multiply negative 3 and reverse the inequality symbol. We talked this last session. Why we reverse the inequality symbol? Because we are multiplying by negative number. We are multiplying by negative numbers. When we multiply by negative or divide by negative number, we will reverse the inequality symbol. So, when I multiply negative 3 in both sides, here negative 3 will go out with negative 3, remaining is m, and then negative 3 multiplies negative 3 is 9. So here it was bigger than, and now it became smaller than. Okay, so we have m bigger than or equals to 9, or as here it's 9 smaller than m. 9 is smaller than m, or m bigger than 9, it's the same answer. So I will go for 9 and draw closed circle. Why closed circle? Because here I have equals. Okay, so I draw closed circle, and then I will chat all the numbers bigger than 9. This is our solution set. Let's go next. Solve, then grab the solution on a number line. For y negative 5 smaller than 11, we need to remove 4 and remove negative 5. Which one we will start first? We will start first with removing negative 5. We will remove negative 5 first, and then we will remove 4. Okay, so our first step is to add 5 in both sides. Why I'm adding 5? Because 5 here is subtracting, so I will add it. Add 5 in both sides. Then I have here 5 will go out with 5, and 11 plus 5 is 16. 4y is the same. Let's go divide 4 in both sides. So here I have 4 divided 4 is 1. And 16 divided 4 is 4. So y here smaller than 4. Let's draw a number line. We will go for 4 and draw open circle. Why open circle? Because this one without equals down. That means 4, it's not a solution with us. Any number smaller than 4, but except 4. Then I will chat all the numbers smaller than 4. Next one. Solve, then graph the solution set on a number line. We have negative 4 bigger than or equals to negative 3x plus 5. Which numbers now I need to take out? I need to take out negative 3 and plus 5. Okay, which one I will start first? I will start with plus 5 and then negative 3. Let's start. First, I will subtract 5 from both sides. When I subtract 5 here, positive 5 will go out with negative 5. Negative 4 and negative 5 will be negative 9, and negative 3x same. Now, what's our second step? To remove negative 3. Now, I will divide by negative 3. Don't forget, when we are dividing by negative, the inequality symbol will be changed. So here, we are reverse the inequality symbol. Why? Because I'm dividing by negative number, okay? So, negative 9 divided by negative 3 will be 3 bigger than or equals to negative 3 will go out with negative 3. I will have x as the remaining. So, we will have 3 smaller than or equals to x, and I change the inequality symbol here to be from bigger than to smaller than. So let's draw. I will go for 3 and draw closed circle. Why closed circle? Because we have here equal, okay? And then x is bigger than or equals to 3. x is bigger than. So I will shade all the numbers bigger than 3. Next question. Solve, then graph the solution set on a number line. We have h over 7 plus 1 bigger than -1. Okay, which numbers I need to remove? I need to remove 1 and 7. Which one I will start first? I will start with 1. It's adding, so I will subtract 1 from both sides. Let's subtract. So 5 over 7, so plus 1 and -1 will be 0, and -1 will equal -2. So h over 7 bigger than -2. Then to remove 7, I will multiply both sides by 7. Let's multiply. When we are multiplying here, so 7 will go out with 7, remaining is h, and 7 multiplies 2, -2, equals -14. Draw a number line, go for -14, draw open circle. Why open circle? Because we have here bigger than without equals. That means all the numbers are a solution except for -14. Then I will shade all the numbers bigger than -14. Solve, then graph the solution set on a number line. We have m over -2 plus 1 bigger than 7. What we will do? Which two number we need to remove first? We need to remove 1 and -2. How we can remove? Which one we will start first? 1 or -2? We will start with 1 and then -2. What we will do with 1? It's adding, so we will subtract 1 from both sides. Let's subtract 1 from both sides. So when I subtract here 1, we'll go out with 1, and 7 minus 1 equals 6. So we will have m over -2 bigger than or equals to 6. I need now to remove -2. How we will remove -2? By multiplying -2 in both sides. Let's multiply. When I multiply -2, we'll go out with -2. Remaining is m. And -2 multiplies 6 is 12. So -12. When I multiplying by negative, it's normal? No, we need to reverse the inequality symbol. So now the symbol was bigger than or equals. It will be smaller than, or now let's graph. We will go for -12 and draw closed circle. Why closed circle? Because I have here equal, okay? And then m is smaller than -12. So I will take all the numbers smaller than -12. I will shade all the numbers smaller than -12. Let's see next question. Solve, then graph the solution on a number line. We have 2y, -4, bigger than -12. What we will do first? We want to remove the 4. How we will remove 4? We will add 4 to both sides. When you add 4 to both sides, okay, so 4 will go out with 4. I have 2y bigger than -12 plus 4 is -8. Then we will remove 2. How we will remove 2? We will divide 2 both sides. We will divide 2 by both sides. Let's divide 2 here. So 2y divided 2 and -8 divided 2. So here 2 will go out with 2. Remaining is y, and -8 divided 2 is -4. Let's draw. Go for number line. We will go for -4 and draw open circle. Why open circle? Because I have here without equals, and then y is all the numbers bigger than -4. Okay, add all the numbers bigger than negative 4. Next question, we have negative 9x plus 4 smaller than or equals 31. First, subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, so when we subtract 4 from both sides, 4 will go out with 4, so negative 9x smaller than or equals to 31, negative 4 is 27. And then we will divide 9 in both sides. We will divide by negative 9. When we divide by negative, what we will do? When we divide by negative, what it will be? We will reverse the inequality symbol. It will be negative 9 divided by negative 9, and this one from smaller, it will be bigger than or equals 27 divided by negative 9. So negative 9 will go out with negative 9, remaining is x, and 27 divided negative 9 will be negative 3. Let's draw a number line. We will go for negative 3, draw closed circle. Why closed circle? Because here I have equals. Then we will shut all the numbers bigger than negative 3. At the end, wait for me in our next video to solve our book.